Beijing is emerging as the epicenter of the robotics revolution. The World Robotics Conference was launched in China's capital. Among the participants were almost 170 companies from around the world, which unveiled more than 600 innovative products, including humanoid robots. This year, there are 27 undisputed protagonists of the exhibition, and I say that without exaggeration. Developers are striving to create highly realistic androids that not only perform practical tasks, but are also able to establish an emotional connection with human beings. There are also medical robots designed for minimally invasive procedures, robot dogs specialized in protection and assistance in emergency situations, as well as barista robots. China has persevered as the world's largest industrial robot market for a decade running. According to reports, in 2023, the production of industrial robots in China reached the 430,000 unit mark. New installed robot capacity in the country has made up more than 50% of the global market in the last 3 years. After a decade of accelerated development, China has established itself as a robust growth catalyst for the global robotics sector. In July 2024, China had more than 190,000 valid patents linked to robots, which corresponded to around 2/3 of the global patent total. Furthermore, in the last 10 years, the proportion of robots for every 10,000 workers in China's manufacturing industry has grown from 49 to 470. The inaugural 5-day World Robotics Conference 2024 has already begun in Beijing. They are collaborating not only with Chinese robots, but also with global companies, including renowned players such as Tesla and Xiaozu. On the other hand, it is imperative to highlight the company EX Robots, which has been fascinating the public at Chinese exhibitions for several years, with the surprising realism of its sophisticated robots. The humanoids display an impressive vitality, with certain movements that are indistinguishable from those made by human beings. Their silicone dermis is remarkably similar to that of humans, and they can perform various functions in our society, covering areas such as medicine, the service sector, and education. The production is a video from the EX Robots channel, in which several charming robotic entities imitate and replicate the gestures of certain young women who interact with them. At the exhibition, these same robot girls could be seen. It is reported that the company EX Robots is already manufacturing 2,000 humanoids of this nature every year. The following day, there was a significant episode in robotics. Sijuan Robotics, founded by former Huawei employee Peng Jihui, presented 5 new innovative models of commercial humanoid robots at the Sijuan Expedition Commercial Sailing 2024 Product Launch Conference. Today, we'll look at 3 variants from this series. Let's start with the Expedition A2 robot. This is an interactive service robot designed to interact with customers in environments such as showrooms, reception areas, and during sales consultations. With a stature of 169 centimeters and a weight of 69 kilograms, it has more than 40 degrees of freedom to perform natural movements, employing an advanced linguistic model for vocal interaction and multimodal information processing. It is capable of carrying a load of up to 1 kilogram, moving at a speed of 1 meter per second and operating autonomously for a period of 2 hours. The robot can be used in industry to perform tasks with precision on production lines, in logistics for the transportation and sorting of goods, as well as in everyday activities such as cleaning and caring for the elderly. During the event, A2 acted as host, demonstrating his ability to perform light work activities while interacting fluidly and accessibly with visitors. Probably the most memorable moment of the conference was the presentation of an innovative humanoid robot, Lynxy X1, which was introduced to the stage by another robot. The A2W Lynxy X1 Expedition is an open-source robot developed in partnership with Sijuan X Lab. Weighing just 33 kilograms, the X1 is light, yet robust enough to support up to 3 kilograms per arm. The robot's height is 130 centimeters. The Lynxy X1 robot integrates cutting-edge technologies, including an innovative articulation module called PowerFlow, which improves both energy efficiency and the precision of its movements. It also has superior perceptual abilities due to the fusion of RGBD, LiDAR, and panoramic cameras, as well as proprietary SLAM algorithms created by Agobot. Agobot's choice to convert the Lynxy X1 into an open-source project exemplifies the company's ambition to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence and robotics technologies. One notable example that stood out at the conference was the Expedition A2WB robot. This is a versatile production robot designed to perform a variety of tasks, including picking up, positioning, and moving objects in industrial environments. Its bionic design, which incorporates 2 arms, each endowed with 7 degrees of freedom, gives it remarkable precision, making it ideal for carrying out complex production tasks. The A2WB has built-in real-time perception sensors, as well as modular algorithms that constantly improve its operational capabilities through data collection. The robot's abilities are enhanced by a new articulated hand with 19 degrees of freedom, which significantly expands its ability to perform delicate precision tasks. Sophisticated multimodal sensory perception technologies have also been incorporated into the A2WB, increasing the sensitivity and precision of its operations. Recently, the new humanoid robot navigator 2 Navii was unveiled, the result of research conducted by the Zhejiang Innovation Center. With a stature of 1.65 meters and a processing capacity of 275 TOPS, this innovation promises to transform the interaction between humans and machines. The Navigator 2 robot represents a significant advance on its predecessor, the Navigator 1. Its dimensions have expanded to 1.65 meters in height and 60 kilograms in weight, making it possible to perform more intricate tasks. The new robot's computing capacity reaches 275 TOPS, which means it can perform 275 billion operations per second. The robot is capable of reaching speeds of up to 6 kilometers per hour and has the ability to grasp and manipulate objects. The load capacity of one arm is 5 kilograms. In addition, the robot has 15 dorsal joints dedicated to the fingers and 6 active degrees of freedom, enabling it to perform intricate manipulations with objects. Each arm has a reduced weight of just 600 grams, while the joints can reach a speed of 150 degrees per second, thus ensuring remarkably fast and precise movements. However, it's not just Chinese robots that are developing at such an accelerated rate. Researchers at the Fraunhofer Institute have introduced an innovative update to the EvoBot balancing robot designed for operations in warehouse environments. The German experts believe that humanoid robots face restrictions in their capabilities attributed to their form factor. They are therefore exploring experimental innovations to mitigate this issue. EvoBot has the ability to travel at speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour and lift loads of up to 65 kilograms. When it receives assistance for loading, it will be able to carry up to 100 kilograms in one go. For comparison's sake, humanoid robots reach a speed of up to 6 kilometers per hour and have the capacity to lift a maximum of 20 kilograms. The researchers maintain that it is necessary to explore more profitable alternatives rather than sticking to an initially restricted design. The EvoBot robot weighs 40 kilos and can operate for up to 8 hours on a single battery charge.